In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add header and footer in Sejda PDF Editor. First, open your web browser and head over to Sejda.com. Sejda is a simple, browser-based PDF tool, so you don't need to install anything to follow along. It's great for quick edits and small projects, and the interface is clean and easy to understand. Once the homepage loads, scroll down until you see the header and footer option and click it. This opens the dedicated tool where you can add page numbers, labels, or other small bits of text to the top or bottom of your pages. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. Sejda organizes its tools in sections. Next, click the button to upload a file and select your PDF from your computer. You can choose a single document or the version you want to finalize. Large files may take a few moments to process, so give it a second to load. If drag and drop is available in your browser, that works too. Just make sure you're uploading the correct, latest version of your document. When your PDF opens in the header and footer tool, select the style you want. You can add page numbers, a short text label like a report title or date, or a combination that fits your needs. Decide where it should appear, the header at the top of the page or the footer at the bottom. You can usually position it left, center, or right. Aim for a consistent, unobtrusive placement. Centered numbers in the footer are a classic choice that keeps content easy to read. Now adjust the font and size. Pick a font that's clean and professional, and set the size so it's visible without drawing too much attention. If your PDF has narrow margins, a slightly smaller size helps keep the header or footer from overlapping content. Consistency matters here. Match the style of your document where possible. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Add Header/Footer. Sejda will process your file and then show you a preview. Take a moment to scan a few pages, especially the first and last pages, to make sure everything aligns properly and the text looks balanced. If something's off, go back and tweak the position or size until it looks right. If the preview looks good, proceed to download your updated PDF and save it to a clear location on your computer. That's it, your headers and footers are now in place. Thanks for watching and enjoy your polished document.